Saving half-used caulk tubes often fails because small mistakes let air in and cure the remaining material. When you pause a job, start by removing the nozzle tip from the tube and wiping it clean with a rag to remove wet bead and skin. For short-term storage of a partially used cartridge, push a length of clean finish nail or a tightly fitting nail head into the nozzle opening until it seats against the remaining caulk. Then cut the nail flush with the nozzle and replace the cap. This minimizes dead space where air can sit. For reusable squeeze tubes, invert the cartridge and stand it upright with the nozzle pointing upward to keep material away from the tip, or store it lying flat if the product label recommends that for consistency. For long-term storage, consider transferring the remaining caulk into a clean, airtight plastic container that matches the chemical compatibility of the sealant, and label the container with product name and date. Always store tubes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to slow curing, and avoid freezing temperatures that can change viscosity or break emulsions in latex or water-based products. Before reuse, inspect color and texture by extruding a small amount into waste. If the bead skins over or has stringy, inconsistent flow, discard it and replace it. Common mistakes include not cleaning the tip before sealing, which leaves a sticky plug that pulls air into the tube. Fix this by wiping the nozzle and forming a clean surface before you cap or insert a plug. Using loose-fitting nails or improvised plugs lets air sneak past the barrier and cure the remaining material. Instead, select a snug finishing nail or short screw that seats firmly against the caulk column and trim it flush. Failing to achieve an airtight seal or storing tubes in extreme temperature swings accelerates curing or separates solvent and binder. Prevent that by using airtight containers or properly fitted caps and keeping storage at stable, moderate temperatures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare real-world experiences related to home repair tasks like caulking and sealing. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community so we can all share practical tips, product feedback, and storage hacks.